Hello friends, welcome to Good Better Vest. I am Mike Vest and this is part 3 of the Les Paul Pango guitar kit building. So we've opened it and practiced coloring. Now today we're going to fit the neck and check the strings. Here we go. Let's get to this. Dang it. I have everything from the Les Paul Pango guitar kit out here, the hardware, the neck, the body. I've got it on my Music Nomad mat and neck holder, which I am not sponsored by them. I just like their stuff. I have just really enjoyed using it. So just to make that clear, I'm gonna do a little dry fit, see how it goes. So you want to get the end of the neck into that neck pocket there. It looks like it's going to fit. All right, and it looks like it fits. There's a little gap inside and on the back. So we're gonna pop that down. There we go. And that looks, still a little gap, but that's okay because there isn't. It looks like it fits nicely. Oh, that is great. That is a pleasant surprise. Glad it fits well. What we need to do now is check the neck alignment. And I saw this done on a YouTube video like a year ago when I was getting ready and researching and trying to figure this out. I was watching all these YouTube videos to figure out everything I was going to do in the future. And I saw one where someone used surgical tubing to fit the tail piece and the bridge without having to put them in permanently with the little metal pieces. They cut the tubing and put it in to do a neck alignment check to make sure the strings run just alongside the neck. We're going to do that. I've already installed 2 of the tuning pegs, tuning heads, and I learned something. You want the little screw to go down, so these would both be on one side, if you can see that, and this would be the other side. So you want that where you screw it in to be down, meaning toward the body. All right, well, let's cut this surgical tubing. Hopefully my daughter doesn't mind too bad. Let's cut this and check the neck alignment with the strings. So I'm just going to stick the tube in, and just like this piece is a little bit higher, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit higher, and let's see if this works. Okay, cut that one a little too small. I will put the tailpiece posts in, and I can put the tailpiece on. That's great. And the bridge posts. Put the bridge on, which the screws on the bridge face up the neck. Now I want to make sure that the pickups fit in the pickup cavity with the neck in place so that I don't glue it on and then realize there's no room for it. Screws face up and then face down on the other one. So that is going to fit so well. All right, and the bridge, we'll just leave the wires underneath. Oh, that just fits right on. That's great. There we go. Now I'm just going to use the strings that came with the kit. I said in the unboxing that I was just going to use everything that it came with just to see how it sounded. I probably will not use the strings it came with. I think I will use everything else and then I will buy my own strings. Now I've seen people do this with string, not guitar string, but just like thread. So I'm putting just the ball in the tail piece, but I've also seen people put the ball end up here so you can just pull it down through. I'm just gonna do what I know and pull it up. I should go relatively right over the pickups along the edge of the neck into the nut, which, here's another thing. I need to contact customer service because the nut is black, the truss rod cover is black, and I don't know if you can see, all the other hardware is the cream, including these. So they were all supposed to be the same style, so I'll be contacting them about that. Oh, I like the little surgical tubing idea. I don't know if you can see that, but they run. Oh, I think that's going to be good. I was so nervous about that. I was so nervous. I know we're going to run into issues, but I'm just glad that's not the issue. Now, I just wanted to show you this. These were the if you haven't watched that video where we practice with the Angelus leather dye, you should go watch that. But this is the color, and I'm going to do the kind of mini fade on the headstock. It'll be one of these. And then the white stain on the mahogany on the sides and the back of everything. And then I'm gonna try Tru-Oil to finish. There we go. But right now what we're gonna do, let's glue this neck on. Let's go get this neck glued on. Everything seems to line up. I think I've checked everything. I have decided to glue the neck on first. I know I've from what I've read, either way, but I want to have the neck on because I want to finish it all together. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to glue the neck on before I finish it. Let's go glue the neck on. I'm a little nervous about this. Everything in this build up to this point has been preparation. This is actually, no going back. Here we go. I've got the Titebond wood glue clamps I borrowed from my dad because I don't have any yet. And it's clean. And we just spread it on and push it together like it was in the other room and then clamp it down. Glove on, just to kind of spread the glue around. I know I've seen it done with paint brushes or foam brushes or just the end of the glue. I am going to use a glove and just kind of spread it around in there. So this is the point of no return, guys. Here we go. And Titebond is apparently it is sandable after. It does not take stain, I've heard. Feel free to comment. Tell me what in the world I'm doing wrong. And subscribe. Don't you want to keep watching stuff like this? Isn't this great? This is a good tight fit before already. So should just fit right in. Okay, did I get everywhere? Get where it needs to go? Okay. Just do the same thing we did to test it out. Put that little heel in. Slide it down. Oop. Yeah. And so nervous. It's just a little bit tighter fit now, which is great. I need to push that down into, there we go. Got it. Don't know how to get that guy flush. Does that look good? Really can't tell. Well, here we go. New experiment, guys. Let's clamp it. Oh, you sweating? I'm sweating. Holy cow. Hope I didn't damage anything and that this is actually going to turn out. Leave it for 24 hours and see how it goes. Join me, subscribe, comment, help me know what I'm doing. And let's take our good better and make our better vest. Peace. Ha, nailed it.